Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the MDVR Blackbox vehicle online platform and show you how to navigate the main features. To access the platform, open your web browser and go to this link. As you can see here, this brings you to the login page. Simply enter your username and password provided by your administrator. Once that's done, click Login and you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. As you can see here, the platform is organized into 3 main tabs on the left-hand menu. The first tab is Position. This is where you can view real-time vehicle locations and monitor movement on the map. Next is Video. This section allows you to access live camera feeds directly from the vehicle. And the third tab is Playback. This is used to review recorded footage and search historical video data. We'll start by taking a closer look at the Position tab. As you can see here at the top of the screen, the platform provides a quick vehicle status summary. This shows the total number of vehicles, how many are currently running, how many are parked, and whether any vehicles have active alarms. This gives you an instant overview of your fleet status as soon as you enter the Position tab. For this video, we'll be using test vehicles. These vehicles are currently offline, but this will help demonstrate how the platform works. As you can see on the left-hand side, vehicles are organized into groups. In this example, we'll select the vehicle group named C8144. Once you click on the group, all associated vehicles will appear underneath. When you click on a vehicle, its location is displayed directly on the map. At the same time, a detailed information panel appears, showing data such as the device ID, vehicle status, speed, direction, and last update time. You can also select multiple vehicles at once. This allows you to view all MDVR-equipped vehicles together on the map for easier monitoring. Now let's move on to the Video tab. Similar to the Position tab, vehicles are organized into groups on the left-hand side. You can select a vehicle group and choose which vehicles you want to view. For this example, we're using test vehicles, so live video is not available. However, when a vehicle is online, its live camera feed will appear here in the video tiles once selected. On the right-hand side, you'll also see a map view. This shows the vehicle's position, similar to the Position tab, but in a smaller view for quick reference. Lastly, we have the Playback tab, which is one of the most important sections of the platform. Whenever an incident occurs and you need to review what happened, this is where you'll go. As you can see here, vehicles are again organized by a group on the left-hand side. Once you select a vehicle, you can choose a date and time to search for recorded footage. For this demonstration, we're using test vehicles, so no recordings are available. However, when footage exists, it will load here in the Playback window for review. When you hover over the Playback tab, additional options appear in the submenu. Track Playback allows you to review the vehicle's driving route on the map for a selected time period. Traces Playback lets you analyze historical movement data in more detail. Video Playback is used to review recorded camera footage based on date and time. Media File allows you to access event recordings, snapshots, or alarm-related files. And Video File is used to view and manage saved video files downloaded from the platform. So that's basically it, guys. These are the core features inside the MDVR Blackbox vehicle online platform. This overview should help you understand how to navigate the system and access key vehicle information when needed. Cheers, guys.